We done started something, cuz. Well, I love you, bro. Yeah, we done started something, man. But I told cuz, no, it's not like that. I say, people hear hospice, and they think the worst. But little Tweety finna take big Tweety fishing, man. Because up and about, he moving around. He got a vehicle, you know big Tweety and cars. Shit, when little Tweety linked me up with him, after I ain't heard from him in a while, he had just brought a car in when I talked to him. So you know how he is with them cars. But he ain't dead, y'all. We need to uplift his spirits, man. He's just on the downside. But now that he know everybody, the word is getting back to him. Because he hit up the little homie. He said, cuz, what's all this condolences on me on Facebook? He said, man, Slag told him, yo, you was sick, and this and that, right? What's up, baby general? He said, Slag the one told Facebook you was sick. So, cuz ain't dead, man. He just need our prayers, y'all. But we lift his spirits up, though. Because he hear about people talking about him on Facebook. Yeah, we got the Jets. I'm finna go home and put me something on ice. And I want to do an assessment on our defense. I want to see where our defense is. I always had a concern about Buffalo defense after we lost Leslie Frazier, our defensive coordinator. He should have been the motherfucking head coach, though. He should have been the head coach. Yeah. So I want to see what kind of defense we got. What's up, Foot? What's up, Foot? Let's see now. What up with you, man? Yeah, Big Tweety. Wow, yeah, I'm trying to get home to it. Big Tweety, man, he sent his love, man. He said thanks, man, for the concerns, the prayers. He appreciate that, man. But little Tweety said their ass going fishing tomorrow. He said, no, Sag. He said, me and Cubs finna get out and do something, man. So he said, I'm gonna take his ass fishing tomorrow. I said, yeah, do something with him, Kyle. See, my vehicle, I told him my vehicle was in shape when he first told me. I went out there and saw him. I would have pulled up on him. On Big Tweety, man. That's my fucking bro, Big Tweety, bro. My motherfucking bro right there. What's happening with you, Tanner? What's happening with you, Cuddy? See, I ain't doing nothing, man. I need to holler at Bo. I got Tanner Bo hollering at me. Talking about when I'm watching the game, man. I wonder where that nigga watching it at, because I know he got the weed. Oh, Bo. How you been, though, cuz? You straight? Y'all good in the hood? It's all good in the hood, man. In the woods, in the concrete. You know how we doing it. See, it's sagging and black ragging, man. This shit, Bo got some weed, so I'm going here and put this drink on some ice. Then I'm gonna holler at Bo, see where Bo at. Yes, that's the best thing to do, cuz we did our thing, man. Let these dudes do theirs, man. Y'all get on off the field, man. Let these other boys play, man. We did our thing. We was getting hits, stealing bases. We was scoring touchdown. We was doing all this shit, cuz us. Know what I mean? Slam dunking and yeah. we thought they're balling with it, so we done passed the ball, man. Shit, let them do their thing, cuz. Just stay on out the way, girl. Just stay on out the way, cuz. You feel me? That's the best thing for us to do, Westville. You know what I mean? Just appreciate us being survivors. We are survivors, cuz. That's the main thing. We are survivors. Think of all the dead homies, cuz. Think about all the dead homies, right? Now, put yourself in their place when they got killed. I could have been where Turtle was when he got killed. I could have been where Pete was. I could have been where Yogi was. I could have been where Boo Boo was when he got killed. I could have been where Knight was when he got killed. If I was out of jail, I could have been where Bullet was when he got killed. Because we all was in the same shit, roaming the same streets, going to the same schools, dealing with the same people and all that shit. Could have easily been us, cuz. Lil Johnny, we could have been in Brownies. Shit, we could have been fucking Brownies, cuz. When they got BG Ken on Willow, we could have been on Willow. We survivors, cuz. So appreciate the fact, cuz we survived, homie. We survivors. We are survivors. Just think of all your homies that's dead, cuz. And where they was killed and how they was killed. Could you been in that area? Hey, Miss Fancy. Is it possible you could have been there? They killed Pete on Rose. I live on Rose. They killed Knight on Santa Fe. I be on Santa Fe. They killed Turtle in Linwood. I be in Linwood, cuz. You know what I mean? Think about it. They killed Yogi on Long Beach Boulevard. They killed Bullet on at Sears. They killed Boo Boo on Pine. I be there, cuz. I be on the streets. So think about it, cuz. It could have been us. It could have been us in our dead homies' places. May all these souls rest in peace, cuz, and may they not die in vain. And I'm not just talking about my homies. I'm talking about all of us who died in this gang culture, bro. I don't give a fuck you Crip, Blood, Mexican, White. I don't give a shit, cuz. It's this gang culture shit. That's our shit. That's us. The gang culture, that's us. Yeah, see, little Street for Sears. Later on became the Compton SWAT meet. That was Sears, old Sears Roebucks. That was the Sears Roebucks, where one homie could shop alone. Let's say if a homie wanted to go and get him some waistline overalls out of Sears to wear to the party that night. He the only nigga want a pair of pants, but 20 homies go with him to buy it. 20 of us will go with the homie to get him a pair of pants, cuz we might run across the Pyrus and mob niggas when we go up there. Yeah. When we want to buy golf hats from Jerry Liquor Store over there on Rosecrans between Alameda and Willowbrook, if one homie want to buy a hat, 15, 20 of us will stroll to the liquor store with him to get the hat because we in enemy territory. So we wouldn't let you go along. So we go deep. But it's just one homie wanted something, but 15 of us went with him to go get it. See, that's what made the hood so special, cause we was squished in. And when we went out our boundaries, we couldn't go. Well, we did it at times, just 2, 3 of us, shit like that. We did it at times. But most of the time, shit, we mobbed with the homie to go get his shit. You see what I'm saying? But later on, Sears became the Compton SWAT meet. But it used to be Sears and Roebucks. I need to tell y'all the story about when it was me, Yogi, Boop Boo, Baby Crip, Doctor, Karate Man. It was a whole bunch of us, cuz. And we was going up to Sears to get some shit. And sure enough, Power Rules and Mob showed up. They was deeper than us. They spotted us, we spotted them, right? Everybody was like, cuz, go to the hardware department. Head to the hardware department, right? So we beat them niggas to the hardware department, right, cuz? So when they come up in the hardware department for us, man, we had sledgehammers, pipe wrenches, shovels, all man. We ready to battle. We look like them old ass Game of Thrones ass motherfuckers. Cause we had sledgehammers, hammers, all kinds of shit in our hand. Them niggas seen us standing up with all that shit in our hand. They didn't try to rush us, cause they knew better. They didn't even try us. They just backed off, cuz. They just backed the fuck up off of us. Well, I don't know what homie was thinking, but he said, cuz, let's go to the hardware. He said, let's get to the hardware department. Let's get to the hardware department. So we walking fast. We walking fast, cuz, about 16, 20 of us maybe. But there's about a good fucking 40, 50 Power Rules and mob niggas. They used to do that shit. They just used to show up in there deep and cut through there looking for niggas, man, back in the day. That's why you had to be careful when you wandered off to get some shit. So that's why homies will go with you. So it'd be enough of us. But yeah, one time them niggas came after us and see it. One homie said, cuz, let's get to the hardware department. So we rushed to the hardware department. Cuz, man, we was grabbing hammers, sledgehammers, big ass plumbing wrenches and shit like that, cuz. When them niggas came up in that doorway, you know, the little section for the hardware, they seen us all lined up with weapons in our hands to fight with. They ain't even chances, cuz. They backed the fuck up off of. Cause if they had came up in there on us that day, We would have bust some heads open, cuz, for real. We was ready. And them niggas backed the fuck off of it. They said, we ain't gonna run up on them niggas. They got all that shit in their hands like that. Yeah, you better not, nigga. You bust your motherfucking head over. You run up in here on me. Yeah. I'll never forget that day, cuz. But I don't remember what homie it was that said head to the hardware department. One of the homies said, cuz, let's go to the hardware department. Hurry up, let's get to the hardware department. And we was walking fast, and they was walking fast trying to get to us. But we beat them in there. And we was grabbing all kind of shit to fight with, cuz we was ready. We was ready. That reminded me, one time it was a concert in Long Beach. And I forgot that was getting at the hood. But Big Pep started breaking the legs off these tables. See, Pep know how to fashion them prison weapons, Big Pep. Big Pep got to breaking the legs off the fucking tables and chairs, shit like that. And the homies was armed with table legs and chair legs to fight with. I think it was something with the Insanes. I wasn't on the set when that happened. I wasn't on the set. I think I was in Mississippi. In Mississippi, maybe. At that time. But the homies went deep to the concert. You say, oh, Jelly? Yeah, that's my baby brother right there. I've got quite a few baby brothers, man. Because Yo, Boo Boo, and Ranger, them my bros right there. Jelly, our little brother. Jap, my little brother, baby brother. The homie Big Jap. That's my baby brother too, cuz. Love you, Jap, man. I got a few baby brothers, man. Weebo, my baby brother too. Weebo, my baby brother. Big Nose Steve, my baby brother. Big Rock, my baby bro. What's up, Big Rock? Big Thundercat. Big Thunder. Yeah, man. Yeah, we had some good times together, cuz, and some bad ones too, but it's all love. I wouldn't trade it for anything else, man. How you ladies doing today? I wouldn't change it for nothing else in the world, man. Y'all my people, y'all my family. I enjoyed our days growing up with one another, man. Running them streets and partying. We did it all, bro. We did it all. But rest in peace to all the dead people, man, that lost their lives to the gang culture. I don't care what hood you're from, or what race you are, if it's gang shit, gang culture shit. We all the same type, cuz. We all deal with the same shit, bro. So on that note, let me go check my bills out, cuz. Maybe I'll chime in with y'all a little later on here on Facebook. Right on, little Tweety Bird. Love you, cuz. I appreciate you from the bottom of my heart. I saw you pop in here. I didn't get a chance to say nothing. Because Weebo had me on. There go Jelly right there. There go baby brother. There go Mr. Hall. And there go the big little homie right here. No, he ain't passed away, man. Y'all quit sending out condolences to Tweety Bird, man. Tweety Bird mad at me now. Because the homie said, well, Sag told him you was sick on Facebook. Yeah, Tweety Bird was saying, what's all these condolences and shit on Facebook? The homie said Sag told him you was sick on there, Kyle. Cuz ain't dead. He just need our prayers, y'all. Pray for the big homie. pray for Big Tweety, cuz he ain't dead. Let's try to lift his spirits up and get him active. I just don't want cuz to quit on us. But little Tweety Bird gonna take his ass fishing tomorrow. He says, Sag, I'm taking that nigga out tomorrow. So, he going fishing tomorrow. We just ain't gonna let his ass lay up here and quit on us, cuz we not gonna allow him to do that. If you can, go pick him up, take him to the movies. Take cuz to Denny's or something, man, if you can. When I get some brakes on my car, I'm going to get his ass. He better not give me no shit neither. As soon as I get some brakes on my shit, I'm in him. I'm going to see him. I want to see him alive. I don't want to wait till cuz go. I'm not going to sit up here and wait on him to go. I want to go see his ass, man. So come on, cuz. Y'all got Tweety getting on me because I told Facebook. I say, no, cuz they heard hospice, man, so people gonna think the worst. What's up, Block Boy? Casper, Lock. Yeah, cuz let's just get his spirits up, cuz his self-esteem was low. And he really wanted to kind of like quit, cuz. But little Tweety ain't letting him. I'm not gonna let him. And y'all ain't gonna let him neither. What's up, T-Loon? Yeah, they done got me in trouble with Tweety Bird, man. Big Tweety. Big Tweety called little Tweety, say, what's with all these condolences on Facebook, man? I ain't dead. So little homie said, man, Sag told Facebook you was sick. So come on, cuz he ain't dead, man. We just want to lift this, but he know. What's up with the chat? But he know. He know that y'all know, so he know now. Now all of a sudden he going fishing tomorrow. So it's looking good. It's looking good. We just want to boost cuz morale. We want to lift his spirits. If he is finna go, let's do it on a happy note, Big Tweety. Let's do it on a happy note. Let's go to the movies. Let's go shopping. Let's go eating. Let's go to the beach. Let's go ride some bikes. Let's go play bingo. Don't just lay up there and quit on us, homie. Shit, let's go to the car show. Things you like to do. You know, let's get cuz up and running. We don't want him to just lay down and quit. You understand me? We don't want cuz to lay down and quit. That's what we don't want. You know what I mean? But he know Facebook know now. He know that. He know y'all know. And like I say, all of a sudden he going fishing. The little homie taking him fishing. So that's a great sign right there. A very great sign. Because when I talked to him the other day, it didn't go well. It didn't go good at all. And when I got off the phone with him, I was sad as fuck. I was real sad. I was hurt because I was like, damn, homie. That's how I felt. I was like, fuck, man. But see what the difference a day make? See what difference a day make? He know he on Facebook being talked about. So now his ass getting up going fishing tomorrow. So that's a good thing, y'all. You feel me? I just don't want him to lay it down and quit. Hey, Miss Yolanda. Hey, you. You know I love you, girl. You don't even call me no more. But my number changed. I'll get it to you. I'll get it to you. How you been? Yeah, don't give up, Chad. Yeah. I want Cuz to enjoy himself on the way out, man. I don't want him to lay it down and quit. So he out there in Hemet, y'all. If any of y'all in his range, you can pull up on Cuz and take him out for a banana split and some conversation, or you know what I mean? Take him to the movies or something, take him to the beach, man. Let him kick his shoes off, man, and walk in the sand or something, you know? Get him out there doing something, bro. Say that again, T-Lo. Say that again, homie. Oh, big Tweety, man. Little man summed it up right when he say a Linwood and Compton legend. What's that with the peanut? Yeah, I'm gonna get the number to you, sis. What's that with the peanut? Anybody score yet? I love you more. Talk to you soon. And how your baby doing? Hey, Miss Bird Song. How them bird songs doing? Yeah, the old bird songs, man. That's family right there, y'all. The bird songs. So is. We gonna talk soon, sis. But don't y'all get me in trouble with Tweety, man. Y'all just help me lift Cuz spirits. Hey, it's always a joy seeing you, sweetheart. You still in Atlanta? You still in Georgia, Priscilla? Oh, you are? Now that hurricane didn't mess y'all up too bad, huh? Because I got some pictures from people in Georgia who was underwater. I don't think they were in Atlanta, though, in that section. But there's underwater. Muddy water, too. So I hope y'all weren't affected by that storm. I mean, that's just horrible, man. Okay, y'all. Okay, that's good then. Well, my prayer and my heart goes out to those who got up and their cars and houses and shit was under the water. What's up with you, cuz, man? Man, I'm glad you home, man. I'm glad you home. We man. Soon I get some brakes on my motherfucking car, man. I'll be there to get you, man. We gonna go eat, man. We gonna go eat or something, man. Have us a couple margaritas or something with this shit, man. Soon I get some brakes on my shit, I'm pulling up. We gonna go out and eat. We gonna go out and eat and drink, homie. I know it is, cause I'm so happy for you. I'm smiling like I'm you. I'm so glad y'all home, cuz. I'm so glad y'all home, man. You know, we all was living our lives wrong back then, man. You know, we wasn't bad people. We wasn't bad people. We just got caught up in society and its ways, bro. You know? But I know a lot of homies, they changed men's, man. They sat in them jails for years, and they got to change their heart and a different mind now. A lot of them do. Yeah, cuz we wasn't in our right frames of mind, man. We was buying into society ways, and some of us, we was just dedicated warriors and soldiers to our shit, bro. That's all. Wow, they took 36 from you, cuz. They took 36 from you, cuz. Well, you got that shit back. And we ain't giving them no more, we. That's all they getting out of you. And that's all they getting, cuz. Yeah, I know, we. Oh, you know I know. I know all y'all who left us in the 80s, man. I know every last all y'all here that left us in the 80s, man. See, Lunatic Frank gave him 42. 42. And I'm so proud of Lunatic Frank. Frank Stevens, man. Lunatic Frank rolled the 60s, man. I tip my hat to you, bro. You got your freedom back, man, and you're doing something with it, man. I salute you, bro. May God protect you out here in these streets, Frank. Yeah, man, cut them loose, man. They need to cut them loose, man. The homies, they changed, bro. They got different hearts and different mindsets now. We not them same guys anymore. Yeah, he out there. I get you linked to him. Inbox me a number. Inbox me a number. I'll get you linked to Frank, homie. I got to hook up on Diamond Legs, but I got to hook up on Diamond Legs too, but I ain't reached out to Diamond yet. Yeah, I got to hook up on Diamond Legs too. He out there doing his thing too, y'all. Yeah, he out there doing his thing too, y'all. But I ain't hollered at Cuz yet. Yeah, he out. He out. What's up, nephew Guyton? Stud a box. What's up, stud? Man, I went 7-0 with my picks last week, this week, Stud a box. Should have called me, got some picks, boy. You should have called me, got you some picks, man. I picked 7 games and they all hit. I got 4 for you right now. I got 4 NFL games. I probably could add you 2 or 3 college games to that one. Who you talking about, Diamond? Who you talking about, Diamond? Who you talking about, we Diamond? And Frank know how to get them. Frank know them jobs and them pro. Frank know them. Okay, well, send mine to the relatives. Who you talking about, Tweety Bird? Well, I got a hold of Burdock. But who you talking about? Big Tweety Bird? Yeah. Okay, see, Big Tweety Bird, man, got mad at me, man. Well, not mad. But he called Lil Tweety, asked Lil Tweety Bird, well, what's happening with all these condolences on Facebook? He said, I ain't dead. He said, I ain't dead. He said, the little homie told his told Facebook you was sick, cuz. He said, Sag told Facebook you was sick, cuz. But I told him, I said, no, they seen that hospice. They seen that hospice. They was thinking the worst. But when I did talk to cuz, he was low on his self-esteem. His self-esteem was very low. Very low. Like he was quitting on us. And I just don't want cuz to quit. So that's why I asked you all to pray for cuz and So we trying to light a spark up his ass to get him to get up and enjoy the rest of the time he have. I just don't want cuz to lay it down and quit. But he going fishing tomorrow. The little homie taking him fishing tomorrow. And I told cuz, I said, well, soon I get some brakes on my shit, I'm going to pull up on him. I appreciate that, nephew. He need it, man. He need him. He ain't out the woods, but he need him. And the more, the merrier. I believe in prayers, cuz. Because I had plenty of them answered, so. I had plenty of them answered. But I want to say thanks sincerely to you all who had Big Tweety Bird in your thought, in your prayers, in your concerns. The homie appreciated. We spoke about you too, Mario. Me and the Tweety Birds. Yeah. What's that? Well, when I talked to him the other day, he quit it on me. But I found out he might have been medicated too at that time. Because I told cuz, I said, man, he got the slurring. I couldn't really understand him. And I said, then he hung up. And the little homie said, sir, he might have been medicated. When I got a hold of him, he probably had some medication for his pain and that shit. So, but he going fishing tomorrow. That's a great sign. We just don't want the big homie to quit. I just want cuz to have fun on the way out. Enjoy itself. I want him to enjoy himself. Go fishing. Go to Denny's. Go to the movies. Go to the beach. You know, take your shoes off, cuz. Walk through the sand. Let the ocean wet your feet, homie. You know, shit like that. That's if you're in and around the Hemet area, go check on Big Tweety, y'all. Let him know how much we love and respect him, cuz. Big Tweety is Big Tweety, man, is a great homie, man. He a good homie, great homie, solid homie. And I love him, cuz, like a brother, man. I love him like a brother, cuz. Shit, I remember that nigga first got out, he found my ass. He found me. When he first got out. When Big June from Palm and Oak got out, he found me. He found me. He came on Facebook looking for niggas and found me. Me and Big Junie talked on the phone for 2-3 hours when we linked up. Big Junie, now he gone. And I was just telling somebody that the other day, I said, yeah, we getting up in age and we dying, y'all. Our health is, I'm glad it ain't by bullets, though. I'm just glad the bullets ain't taking us out of here, man. And it's our health, cuz. You know, look at Pretty Boy, look at Monster, Pookie, Melvin Hardy, and everybody we've been losing, man, to illnesses and stuff like that, bro. Stanley Pitts, and, you know. A lot of us, cuz, we getting up in age and our health is fucking hitting their limits, man, you know. Some of us abusing drugs and alcohol and shit along the way, and then we had all this mind stress and trauma. But some of us killed people, bro. And that's trauma when you do that shit. When you kill people, cuz that shit with you forever, man. You can't let those go. You can't get them back. Once you take a person's life, yeah, that's with you forever. You just gotta be mentally equipped to handle that shit. And you got to surrender to God, bro, on that type of stuff. Yeah. You got to surrender. You can't sell your soul to God like you sell your soul to the devil. God ain't buying, cuz. God ain't buying, bro. So all y'all who killed people, you need to come to amends, man. You need to come to an amends. You need to come to an amends and face the maker and admit that you're wrong. A lot of times we thought we was right. We thought we was defending our communities. We thought we was getting justice for dead homies, but we was wrong. We only made matters worse with that back and forth killing shit, bro. So put the guns down, stop set tripping, man. Don't ruin your lives like that, y'all. I know a couple cats that killed and committed suicide. They couldn't deal with it. It just stayed in their head. It drove them crazy. A lot of niggas, they drink and do drugs to try to block it out, but that ain't gonna do nothing for you. That's just gonna mess you up more. Y'all need to get some help, cuz. It took 2 psychiatrists to fix me. I'm not scared to admit. I needed help. My mind was fucked up. My mind's still fucked up, cuz. See, my mind's still in shambles, man. I mean, I wish I could take back some of the things I did, but I can't. But what I can do is make amends and try to do right, be righteous, man. You can't be halfway with righteousness, man. Once you decide that you want to be righteous again, and you can't be for some bullshit, and then some bullshit you ain't for. It don't work that way. You gotta be all in like Flynn, bro. You gotta be all in like Flynn, man. You can't play around with this. Get your lives together, man. Make amends with someone. If you can't reach God, you got angels, bro. It's somebody that you love that's no longer here, that's watching over you. Reach out to them. We got angels. It was my mama saved my life, man. March the 12th, 2012. My mama. And my mama was dead for some years. And I felt her presence that day. So, I believe. I believe. I love y'all. Since I'm finna inbox your number, and you better not wait too long to call me neither. You hear me? Love y'all. I see you, Papa. I see you, Papa. All right, cuz. Let me go on in here and watch my bills, man. And thanks for the prayers, the concerns, and the thoughts on Big Tweety Bird, man. He appreciates you all, too. All right, sis. I'm finna inbox you. I'm coming off here. All right, Edie, I mean business. I saw you. West Bow. The little 1 foot. I seen a few young ladies hop in here. I ain't got my glasses on. You know I'm blind as a bat without them. So I seen the homie, the King Ray hopped up in here. I love that dude there, man. How he doing right by his son, man, his family, man. Oh, King Ray, man, I see you, man. I salute you, bro. I salute you, man. You doing what a man's supposed to do, bro. And your son gonna be somebody. Your son will be a benefit to this world of King Ray. Your son gonna do this world some good, brother. I just see it in him, man. I just see it in him, man. He's a handsome young man too. There go my sister, Miss Sherry. Hey, you. I see Mama's birthday was the other day, huh? When the last time you heard from sleep? He ain't called me. Do y'all know my number changed though? I believe you know because I text you on this phone. Yeah, I didn't text you from this phone. What's up, IGC? 1310? 1310, huh? It ain't halftime yet, I know. It ain't halftime yet, I know, huh? Let me get off here. Love y'all. God protect all of us, please. And have mercy on us. And my prayer going out to all y'all dealing with this bad weather, man. Devastation, whether you're in Florida, North Carolina, Georgia, all these places that have been bothered by these storms. I pray that y'all get your power back up. I pray that y'all get running water again. And I pray that aid get to you people. That aid get to you guys. I did donate money to the hurricane. I didn't send toilet paper, bottled water, nothing, but I sent money. A lot of stores had things saying you could donate to the hurricane. Some of y'all local markets and stuff like that may have something going on for that. So if you can, $1, $2, $5, $10, I mean, if you can, donate so we can get them people back on that side of the country on their feet, y'all. Now, we ain't got to be there, but it is something we could do. So if y'all happen to be in your local markets and shit like that, and they got some hurricane relief in there, donate if you can, y'all. Or if you can send toilet paper, bottled water, stuff like that, send it. But right now, shit, mail, they can't get mail and shit like that to nobody right now. So if you could donate a little money, these Red Cross and these FEMA people see to it that they get something they need. So what's up with OTG? Yo, the original Dilly So Well. There he is, y'all, Spring Street. Mr. Sowell. I really enjoyed the conversation with Mr. Sowell when I last saw him, cuz. See, it's homies like you, man. I can go that way with in conversation, cuz, because you know the deal, cuz. You know the time, Dilly. You know the time, cuz. And what's understood ain't got to be explained, little homie. You feel me? Us true to the bone, niggas, we know. We know, ditto. Believe that. Mr. Pick Owl. Oh, man, look at all the loved ones that hopped up in here, man. Got Pick Owl, man. We got Diddo. Got Nephew Mario. I got my man Vinny Hall from Chicago. Wild 100s, man. Oh, Vinny Hall right there, man. Met that brother at the jewelry store in the mall, man. They had me and Cuz up in the back room and shit in the jewelry store. That's how me and dude met. Vinny Hall right out of Chicago. Good nigga there too, man. He got his ass out of Chicago, man. Did right by his son, bro. Doing right by his son, man. You know what I mean? I respect that. I respect that call, man. I respect that call. Got DJ up in here. Y'all don't even want to let me off this motherfucker. Everybody wants to show up where the nigga won't come off. Everybody want to show up when the nigga won't get off here, cuz. All right, love y'all, man. May God protect each and every last one of you and those that y'all love and concerned about from all evils, because there's plenty of evil on this earth. there's plenty of evil on this earth. So I'm missing a good game. All right, let me get in there to it. Love y'all. About to send you a number, sis Yolanda. About to send you the number.